Hey guys, it's Erica. Sorry this is kind of a weird angle, but I just bought this grow light from, I think it was Home Depot. It is an LED grow light, 22 inches, and you know, I had to get some grow lights because this room that I'm in right now only has a north-facing window, and winter is coming. Winter is coming. A north-facing window is not going to keep my plants alive. So grow lights is the solution. Most of my plants are outside on my east-facing porch, as you probably heard me mention a whole bunch, but I'm gonna have to bring them inside if it gets too cold. I'm in Southern California, so it shouldn't get too cold, but some plants like my alocasias need to come inside because I don't want them to go dormant if the temperature goes under 60 degrees. So I'm gonna try out this grow light that I bought, and I don't have any grow lights right now, so this is gonna be the first test. Oh, I think I have some footage of when I was buying this. I do, so I'm gonna put that right here. Alright, so I think we found the plant lights here. It literally says plant light, but I kind of want a long bulb like this because I want to put it into my shelf. And I'm thinking about getting this one because it's thinner, so it could fit in like a smaller area. So this one is the 18-inch plant and aquarium bulb. I don't know anything about this, so I hope I'm getting a good one. So I couldn't get the other one because they don't sell the casings anymore, but they told us that there's lights over here. So this is an LED grow light that I'm going to buy. But for now, I'm just gonna buy one of them and see how it goes. And I might purchase more if it goes well. This packaging is like rough. It's really rough. So this shelf right here, sorry it's really ugly right now, but I had to take out the plants. Whenever I film, I just bring them here to make it look pretty-ish. But other than that, they will be next to a window or they'll be outside or something, except for my peace lily. The peace lily stays there at all times. So I want to fill up this shelf with beautiful lights, and I mean I want to fill up the shelf with beautiful plants, and the only way I can do that is by adding grow lights. So that is exactly what I'm doing. Here is the LED look. I'm planning on putting it like this. I kind of wanted something flat so that there wouldn't be like this big light coming out like this. Oh, and also another problem is that I can't have the plants too close to the light because it gets hot, which is why I bought LED, because LED you could keep the plants closer. They don't heat up as much as fluorescent lights. Also, Home Depot didn't sell fluorescent lights, light holders, so this is what I had to go with. So I kind of want it like this. I might have to end up taking out this shelf. Oh, what if I'm thinking that if I take off this shelf, then I could put the grow light like this, and I could fit even taller plants in it than I could. I think that's what I'm gonna do. This doesn't look as nice as with the third shelf in, but sometimes you just gotta choose between aesthetics or your plants. First, I'm just gonna see how this light turns on. So plug this in, and then I have an outlet. Let's see if it works. Oh shoot. Okay, let me tell you something. I thought that this was gonna produce white light because I don't like how this purple, pink, whatever color it is looks. I guess this is more effective for your plants to grow. And like I said, sometimes aesthetics need to be sacrificed for your plants, but I wasn't I didn't know I was going this far, but I guess that's okay. I'll just turn it on when I'm not home and not have to look at it. Oh, this is tragic. This is so tragic. And then another problem that I have with this bookshelf is that there's no like back area for me to string the wires through. But that's okay, that's easily solvable. Because there's an outlet like right here. Oh, you can see it. There's an outlet right here where I plug in my humidifier. So I'll have it like this. Oh, I unplugged it, okay. So I have some, it came with nails and stuff. It came with like stuff to put it in the wall, but I'm just gonna use the tape thing. You pull it and it comes off. And here's the information, I guess. Grow lights by Utilitech. I'm gonna get those Scotch Guard, I don't know what it's called, but I'll go get them. Okay, so they're called command strips. I have some here. I think this one will hold heavier objects. I don't think these little ones are gonna hold it up, so I'm gonna try these two big ones. So it seems like there should be like another side that will like Velcro on. Oh, maybe it's like this. No, I feel like there's a piece that's missing. Well, let's just try this and see if it works. This light isn't that heavy, and I'll put 3 of them. So just boom, boom, boom. 2 edges in the center. So if you guys have any suggestions on what I could possibly do to improve my lighting situation, that would be fantastic, because I worry so often about what I'm gonna do when it gets really cold and my plants are gonna freeze to death. So that's one thing I've been worrying about a lot, and kind of just been putting off finding a solution. Okay, so this top board is warped, so it's not really sticking nice, but this is good. You can't even see that it's like on there. So let me plug it in. Oh, this is a great area for my plants to grow. This is gonna be for plants only. This light kind of hurts my eyes, but it's okay, it's pretty low, so it won't hurt anyone. I need to decide what lights to put, what plants to put here. I'll probably put some pothos down here. Some plants that need the same lighting conditions, because I'm not gonna have this on all day, because first of all, it's ugly. Let's not ignore that. And then also it's kind of using up electricity and stuff. So goodbye decor. I guess I can put it up here. I don't know, I'll come up with something that looks nice, I guess. Those used to have propagations in them, and now look how they are. Okay guys, so like I said, please give me any recommendations that you might have of any light solutions that you may have found. So another thing that I kind of wanted to try was hanging a light and then having some hanging plants around it. I don't know how great that would work, but that's something that I wanted to try. And then I also want like a lamp. So maybe putting a lamp on top of this big guy right here, and then having it shine down right here, because I have my humidifier right here. So it would be great to have a humidifier and a grow light for my, my calatheas, marantas, all that good stuff that needs a lot of humidity. I would love to put my Frydek in here again, because right now he is at an east facing window that is not in my room, so I don't get to stare at it all day while I'm in my room, which is really sad. I want to just stare at my lights all day. I want to just stare at my plants all day, but that's not looking too good. So overall, surprised that this is the color of the light that I got. But that's okay, it's for my plants. Like, look, this guy's already looking so happy right now. Yeah, I'll probably leave a link of the light that I got in the description below if you want to try it out. I don't really know how well it works right now, so only time will tell. But yeah, that's it for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe because I post new videos every other day, and don't forget to leave in the comments your recommendations of grow lights because I would really super appreciate it, because this is my situation right now. And I want to bring my plants inside so I can just enjoy them. There are a bunch of mosquitoes in my backyard and I'm tired of getting bit. Like, I have over 10 mosquito bites every day from just going outside and taking care of my plants, and that would be great if that wasn't the case anymore. Okay, yeah, well, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!